Hello and welcome to our Create a Template video. So today we'll be finding out exactly how we can create a template to use on our pages all across our site. So we begin in Templates, and above our list of existing templates and to the right of our filter search is a blue button that says Add New Template. Click this. This opens up information about our brand new template. So we want to give this template a name. I want to name it Test. We can also choose the type of the template, whether it's a page or an email. So I want to choose page. We can make this our default template if we choose to, and we can choose to use the design system or not. Fantastic. So now we want to add a header and a footer to our template. So we want to click at the beginning of this, and we want to go to our toolbox and find Insert Header, Navigation Header. Fantastic. And then we want to do the same for our footer. So we want to find footer and add our footer. Fantastic. So this has inserted the liquid tags for our header and footer. So now we want to click save. Fantastic. So this has been made for us. If we go back to our templates, we can then see that the template we have just made is there ready for us to use. So to recap, we have created a template